What's up everybody, Ammar here. In today's video I'm bringing to you the unboxing and review of the Neewer LED video light, the Neewer LED 500 LRC. If you are new here in this channel, I have unboxing and reviews for the latest technology gears and gadgets, photography, videography tips, camera reviews and gaming. So consider to subscribe if you are not already. Now let's do the unboxing of this LED video light from Neewer. Now guys, as you can see inside the box there is some paper stuff, for sure the instructions manual, and the LED video light panel from Neewer. And guys, I really like the design of this panel and it is really light. This is very important. And as you can see guys, there is knob to control the temperature of the light, and also there is a DCN power on and switch button, and there is also button to stop and start the light. These are the barn doors in the front of the LED panel, and there is one diffuser already attached to the panel. Inside the box there is power adapter to provide power to this LED head. Also you can give power to this LED head using two lithium Sony MP batteries. This is the wireless remote control. You can use this wireless remote control to adjust the brightness and color temperature. And this remote control, it is powered using two AA batteries. There is one handle. You can attach this handle to the video LED head. This will make carrying this LED head on locations very easy. The last thing inside the box is a mini ball head to hot shoe adapter. To be honest guys, I did not like the quality of this one. It's really terrible. You can find better options on Amazon. To make the setup more portable, I will use two Sony MP batteries to power this video LED head. It is very nice to have the option to power this video LED using DCN or using two MP batteries. There is small LCD screen on the back of this LED panel to see your settings, and you can use this knob to control the color temperature. You can take it all the way down to 3300, and also you can take it all the way up to 5600. You can also use the same knob to adjust the brightness of this LED head from 10% up to 100%. With this LED head, Neewer did a great job, and this LED head can provide stable color temperature, and I highly recommend it for video shooting. There is also one button to change the group and channel for this LED. You can assign this LED to different group and different channel in order to use it in a combination with other LED heads in your studio. And there is also one button to stop and start this LED. Now for the Sony MP batteries. It's really expensive to get the original Sony MP batteries. So in the description below guys, I will keep links from where you can get some cheap alternatives for the Sony MP batteries with the charger, and also I will keep links from where you can get this amazing LED head from Neewer and also some cheap stands. So if you decided to get any of these accessories, make sure to use one of the links below. That's it for today guys. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video.